Boy, that's hot. I feel it.
Yeah.
It's because the wind is blowing that way. That is hot.
Yeah. Let that cool down a little bit because it's hot.
Yeah. Does it fit?
Oh, it'll fit. There you go.
Yeah, that's better. It's a cleaner solution, you know.
Whatever you like, Joe.
What?
I say whatever you like.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, it's always good to do the best job possible, you know, the best solution. Because before when I was driving, if I go over a bump, half my speakers wouldn't work, you know. It wasn't like those things that you had before.
Yep.
They don't really work that well, you know. Plus, I don't know if there's any risk of fire if you, like if it overheats.
Speaker wise, they're not voltage resistance. Take these out. Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna stay forever now?
Yeah. Sharp scissors.
Yeah.
When you go on it in August,
Yeah,
it get hot month.
I know, but it's even hotter now.
Actually, it's been really hot in Italy.
Yeah, 45 degrees Celsius.
I think it's cooler in Sicily than it is in Upper Italy.
Yeah.
In France, it's like over 100 degrees.
Yeah. Well, where I am, it's kind of cool all the time because it's in the mountain, you know.
Oh.
So, I mean, it really never gets that hot.
You know who lives there is Gaetano Caramonte, remember him?
Yeah, but he doesn't live with all of us.
No.
Where does he live?
Yeah. He's a chef.
Oh.
A really fancy chef.
Yeah.
I don't know if you see my Facebook or not.
Not really. I don't really. I'm not really in Facebook.
Yeah, you should. That's how you. There you go.
I said, wow, what a great car. You know, this is a Fiat Punto.
Yeah. I've seen it. Yeah.
And it was keeping, you know, the temperature just right. The water pump had broken. And I mean, it overheated. I had no choice, you know. I had to drive it. I was stuck in the middle of. It was getting dark.
Yeah.
The black one goes on the bottom near this thing.
Yeah.
You know how much it ended up costing to do all that work? Water pump, head gasket, 650 euro.
It's not bad.
I think the mechanic robbed me though. You know how much he charged me for the oil? 50 euro. Then I looked.
Synthetic?
Yeah, it's you know, the what do you call
quarts?
it? No. Then I looked up how much oil actually goes there. 2.8 liters. Quarts.
Yeah.
He charged me 50 euro for that. That's just a part, you know.
Yeah.
I know that oil is expensive. It's like 15,
Yeah.
12 euro a
Depends.
quart.
Oil goes up and down, you know. You still got the paper in there, yeah?
Yeah, no, keeping you.
Here's your keys, huh?
Yeah. I'll put those away.